Dear students, in this video we'll learn about double-sided error. I gave three situations. The first one is repairs made were debited to furniture account by 500. Second one, salary paid to Ramesh 500 debited to his personal account. Third one, an amount of 500 withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use has been debited to trade expenses account. I told you in the last video also, in order to rectify the error, you should be thorough with the rules. We have 4 rules. First one, excess debit means we have to credit the concern account. Second rule, excess credit means we have to debit the concern account. Third rule, short debit means we have to debit the concern account. Fourth rule, short credit means we have to credit the concern account. Now, repairs made were debited to furniture account. So, repair is a revenue expenditure. So, repair account should be debited, but we didn't debit it. Instead of debiting repair account, furniture account is debited. So, when you have omitted, it is come under the category of shortage. So, repair account is omitted. So, it's a shortage of debit. So, we have to debit the concern account. So, repair account is to be debited. And then furniture account should not be debited. We have debited. When you wrongly debited, it is called excess. So, excess debit means we have to credit the concern account. So, furniture account is to be credited. So, the entry is repairs account to furniture account 500. The second one, salary paid to Ramesh 500 debited to his personal account. The name is irrelevant. We use name only for writing the narration. Salary paid. So the entry is salary account to cash account. But what they did is Ramesh account they have debited instead of salary account. It implies salary account is omitted. So if you omitted any of the account, that is called as a shortage. So shortage of debit. So we have to debit the concern account. So salary account is to be debited. Then Ramesh account is wrongly debited. So wrong means what? Excess. So wrongly debited means excess debit. To cancel the error, we need to credit the concern account. So Ramesh account is to be credited. So the rectifying entry is salary account to Ramesh account 500. Then third one, an amount of 500 withdrawn by the proprietor for his personal use. Personal use means drawings. So the actual entry is drawing account to cash account. But instead of debiting drawing account, they have debited a trade expenses account. So drawing account is omitted. So shortage of debit. Shortage of debit means we have to debit the concern account. So drawing account is to be debited. And then they have wrongly debited the trade expenses account. So wrong debit means excess debit. Excess debit means we have to credit the concern account. So trade expenses account is to be credited. So the entry is drawings account to trade expenses account by 500.